Hey there! I recently came across some information about Tunisian cuisine, and I'm fascinated by it. Have you ever tried Tunisian food before? Hi. Yes, I've had the opportunity to try some Tunisian dishes, and I must say, it's a truly unique and delicious cuisine. What specifically caught your interest about Tunisian food? Well, I read that Tunisian cuisine is a blend of Mediterranean, North African, and Middle Eastern influences. That sounds like a flavor explosion. What are some of the standout dishes that I should know about? You're absolutely right about the diverse influences. One of the most famous Tunisian dishes is couscous. It's a staple made from steamed semolina grains, often served with a flavorful stew. Then there's brick, a fried pastry filled with egg, tuna, capers, and spices. It's like a savory Tunisian version of a samosa. Those sound amazing. What about the use of spices in Tunisian cuisine? I've heard they are quite bold and aromatic. Yes, you heard correctly. Tunisian cuisine is known for its robust use of spices. One of the signature spice blends is Harissa, a fiery chili paste made with red peppers, garlic, and various spices. It's used in many dishes, adding a delightful kick. Cumin, coriander, and saffron are also frequently used, enhancing the flavor profile of the cuisine. Harissa sounds intriguing. I love spicy food. What are some dishes where harissa is prominently featured? Harissa is used in numerous dishes, but one of the most famous ones is shakshaka. It's a breakfast dish made with poached eggs and a spicy tomato and pepper sauce, often flavored with harissa. It's a flavorful and hearty way to start the day. That sounds like a must-try. Are there any dishes that are particularly popular in Tunisia during special occasions or holidays? Absolutely. During Ramadan, the holy month of fasting for Muslims, mlaukia is a special dish often prepared. It's a flavorful stew made with the leaves of the mlaukia plant, cooked with chicken or lamb, and served over rice. Additionally, couscous with 7 vegetables is a traditional celebratory dish often enjoyed during weddings and other festive occasions. It's fascinating how food is intertwined with culture and tradition. Speaking of couscous, how is it typically served in Tunisia? Couscous is a versatile staple in Tunisian cuisine. It can be served in various ways. One common preparation is couscous with lamb or chicken. The couscous is steamed and served with a flavorful meat stew on top. Another popular dish is couscous with fish, where it's paired with a fish stew enriched with spices and herbs. It seems like couscous is the canvas for many delicious creations. Are there any Tunisian desserts I should know about? Absolutely. Tunisian desserts are a sweet treat for your taste buds. One dessert to try is yoyo, a deep-fried donut-like pastry coated in sugar syrup. Makroud is another sweet delight made from semolina dough stuffed with dates, fried, and then dipped in honey or sugar syrup. Yoyo and Makroud sound mouth-watering. Are there any vegetarian or vegan options in Tunisian cuisine? Yes, there are plenty of vegetarian and vegan options in Tunisian cuisine. Leblabi is a popular vegan dish made from chickpeas, garlic, olive oil, and spices, often served as a soup. Bessara is another vegan favorite, a hearty fava bean soup seasoned with cumin and garlic. And don't forget Tunisian salad, a refreshing mix of tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and onions dressed with olive oil and spices. Leblabi and Bessara sound like comforting options for vegans and vegetarians. It's impressive how diverse Tunisian cuisine is. Are there any unique dining traditions or etiquettes in Tunisia that I should be aware of? Indeed, there are some dining customs to be mindful of when enjoying Tunisian cuisine. It's customary to wash your hands before and after a meal. Tunisians often eat with their hands, using bread as a utensil to scoop up food. It's considered polite to finish all the food on your plate as a sign of appreciation. And don't forget to greet your host with a friendly Bismillah, in the name of Allah, before starting your meal. Thank you for sharing those dining customs. It's always good to know how to respect local traditions when enjoying a new cuisine. I can't wait to try some Tunisian dishes, especially the spicy ones. You're welcome. I'm sure you'll enjoy the rich flavors and unique dishes that Tunisian cuisine has to offer. Remember to savor the Harissa-infused delights and the warm hospitality that comes with every meal. Bon appétit!